bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The cabin air filter is located under the passenger side cowling. To access the cabin filter, you only need to remove the left screw pins. Lightly unscrew the clip, careful not to put a lot of pressure downward, to raise it enough to pull it off from the cowling. Lift the cowling and the weather cover to remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. It's not uncommon for there to be no cabin filter initially. Insert your new filter into the housing. The filter may fit a bit awkwardly, but it will still be effective if it covers the bottom of the filter housing. Reinstall the weather cover by aligning the tabs with their catch and press down to lock in both sides. Reinstall the pins to secure the cowling. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.